Hello traders out there in Traderland, my name is Dez here at Grok Trade on Tuesday, February 7th, 2012. After a volatile open, markets close in bullish territory. We have the Dow up 33 points, up 0.26%, the S&P up 0.2%, fractionally up here on the Nasdaq. Russell's down ever so slightly, down 0.12%. Banks down 0.1%, VIX down 0.6%, and we have gold up 1.51%, silver up 1.77%, crude oil up 1.66%, and a 0.7% drop on the dollar. That said, here's what the chart looks like on the S&P 500. We do have a higher high, but we have a lower low, and we do have a hanging man reversal pattern after a nice little run up. Question is, can we sustain price action above around, I'd say 1340? If so, we could build another base, chop around here. Even if we do pull back, we have significant support right here, and I would be willing to sit through this pullback in anticipation of a bounce. Far as the Dow is concerned, again, we hit another 4-year high. Those two trend lines that we drew, the upper trend line acted as resistance, lower trend line acted as support. So you can see how we're just perfectly pinched between these two lines. We really need to go higher than this. So we're not out of the woods yet on this. When it comes to the Nasdaq's building a very beautiful high base. We're at an 11-year high here. So a high base and then boom, get a nice pop off of this would be a very sound bullish sentiment that's rolling over the top of the markets here, and the continuation of that sentiment. Banks popped up over a trend line, but the thing that I want to show you here is we drop, and we closed right on that line, just a smidgen above it. So we were playing with death there. So we need to see the banks actually go bullish going into tomorrow to sustain this bullish movement on price action that we've seen. We need to at least stay above 1749. So remember that on the bank index. This is the largest index for banks. It's on the Nasdaq. Over 460 or so people. Put that on vibrate. Ignore. And let's look here at gold. Gold had this bull pullback, and on the weekend edition I said if you're looking to buy gold, you probably have a perfect setup here. I did not get in. There's your disclosure. But man, did we have a nice pop here. So I hope you guys heeded some of the talk on the weekend edition video. And let's take a look at the US dollar. And this was the area that I was saying we had a lot of support here at this 21.94, and we broke below it. So the dollar is in significant trouble, and we have some nice volume on that drop. So I'm looking forward to more bullish activity going into the future here. So I think that the longs are breathing a sigh of relief, and the bears, whoever you are right now, you're probably taking on some serious heat at this moment. So make sure you get yourself hedged, if anything. I did add a couple more to my long positions, and for you Stock Picks V newsletter subscribers, the stock that starts with a T and the stock that starts with a V. V as in Victor and T as in Tom. Those two stocks I did enter in my own personal account today. So hope all is well. Take care and safe trading.